In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to cancel Snapchat subscription. Canceling a Snapchat subscription, such as Snapchat Plus, can be crucial for managing your finances and digital well-being by preventing unnecessary expenses and unexpected auto-renewals, especially when the premium features do not justify the cost. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You want to head into your Apple account. You will then head to the option of subscriptions. Under Active Subscriptions, head to Snapchat. I'm on a free trial, so I'll just tap on Cancel Free Trial and then proceed by tapping on Confirm. Your subscription will be canceled right away. And if you're on a free trial like me, you won't be charged no amount. That's how easy it is to cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.